direction given by the central government is that now slowly by slowly the situation is coming back to normalcy. There is no absolute normalcy right now, but it is coming back to normalcy. What has been placed before Supreme Court today is there are 52 paramilitary companies being stationed there to control the situation there. And I believe what the learned Solicitor General has stated, that the situation, given time, it will come back to normal. That's why 10 days period has been sought and has been granted by the Supreme Court.
But the petitioners also said that they want army to evacuate some people stranded in hill areas.
Yes, but that is a one-sided allegation. We have also placed our side saying that it cannot be on one side only, because people are stranded from the Metis community in the Kuki-dominated affected areas also. This we have been able to convince and place it before the court, and the Honorable Supreme Court has appreciated it and said that whatever relief activities is to be taken by the central government will be for all the affected parties. It will not be confined to any one community. It will be for all the affected parties. Wherever it is necessary, the central government and state government has to make the effort for evacuation, for providing medical relief, humanitarian relief, food, whatever is necessary, whatever is required. And this, the central government has to place it on an affidavit in a status report within 10 days time. Thank you.